Cornrow wash suit. Timmy. One go cornrow and wash suit. Abo this time say mesh say I mean now and I will catch me say me mentally stable now me here therapist. Who need trust him?
Sabio Sabin Prejasa a same common cry. And I'm honestly disappointed in you. As artists, baby, I would do no career moon, baby, I would do ni stages. I will for sana last year so go through stage kwa can sempoto.
So yes, open 200. You me who in a tour side, no na ko fa nyane ni wu ye ya fa o se ko fo fela ko fo weni o so jare so bia nwe no adan na nipa no o de wa to aba mo a fa bra sore na to na kusom na bisa ne say you have a boyfriend not intentionally wrong.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH baby I will be ambinchia and Emma. But subscribe it. Me to my now second. Edini Bembros. Me patch over the weekend. Medical. I Ghana rapapa. One of the young guy or pimpany for say I only more your pimpany for the any brutal. Nana so quite showy. And I say fan back backstage. Medical kako hagia no so fan neto. And you miage to 4. Hey, medical. Na your friend say MC ya. What I say not what do you mean medical? I don't come you be to sir. What ja warranty and say who come you be to? Then what video nimra.
Na me ni medical so yenyum to ni obonyum. But I da me share brantie no. Menka say I fell in love with him more in terms of the personality. Because send me see fan who no ne kasa ni the way I know you know you can meet somebody and then you feel like that. And honestly, years down the line be seen me shut down huni ye. And you see, I would be very naive to say that oh he's supposed to be like that because me say ni padi ni passes. But Samuel do frimpon who didn't say and we see a catcher. Sabin previous a woo Jimmy. I was here tino. Share video ya e beto dwen. Kojo kasano kasa e manom hadi sebi previous an. Se waba nam ho. Na wo sha hot pants and ase sebio o sha jean string keke no nam a eno nchese wo ho kwan se okoso ni mu. Se waba nam ho na se sebi wa sha atare na ne nufo ahepi ana o sha short dress bi ana wa sha bibi a wo fine ne sexually enticing. It doesn't give you any right. Uni hu tumi bi ada. Se wo se wo de won sakoka oba no. Aje se wo no ankasa age penie ama wo ho kwan. Eno kra no wa ma wo ho kwan wo so ni mu no okache wo se jaya e wo se wo jai. Yati and Pempi, maybe I accuse you of raper. One much say it was consensual, but in the act she asked me to stop. And now said you when you brea woody jumano bani catch you say jaya and was say wujai. And to this issue, medical, I say me see you know, yes, me who say oh, it's a fun now, what friend about stage and all of that. Yes, mubabe sa mubabe yes. Who do one sa akumia girl neto. A difference I would do one side because what one side body I will be say. Now mia dear was so added some little force being a wood to me dear mia. And tis the same way see. Now someone over Bontinya the man no ye be to apologize to the girl first of all because it be our band said yani soon in the buying kratia crano. On you will be a was so obejina stage or yes sir and in Guasi a river Brennan and no another topic unless of course the girl doesn't see anything wrong with it. That is okay. But the fact that she doesn't see anything wrong with it doesn't mean that we don't see anything wrong with the act. It could be a mistake. But sir, response someone would bay sabio sabin prejasa a same common cry. And I'm honestly disappointed in you. As artists, baby, I would do no career moon, baby, I would do ni stages I will for sana last year so go through stage kwa can sempoto. And I was wondering, say medical, dear na air koso. As same way, can we buy and be over apologize to the girl and even the people at the grounds and care to echa. Anka in any serious country, medical, and I will find yourself now, yes, I can tell you for a fact. So we follow Sanka by this time in March 2. By this time, Anka brand ambassadorial deals are war and Koma started pulling it down. By this time, Kona Kobusa Chris Brown, Kobusa PDD Mo. And then we think, and that this thing you go so normal, even company offices, or be to me when you call ignored and it's abonnet to or feel say you're normal. And you're normal. And don't sit here and make it look like Sabi woman for Nadiana ye Kasaway and one ye and ye chat to Robi at all. So that was not what happened. Because if it was a mistake, clearly everybody could have seen it was a mistake. And you made the statement. And a JB boss also, oh, yeah, sure, say camera ni ha. And who do you think you are? I mean, let's make this clear. The fact that you are a celebrity doesn't mean that every woman wants you. Say be a way ni pe be a won sem wo bi ana wo ye obi a wo ye ni petitra eno nkyere se wo be bia person odi wachi. So don't make it look like because you are a celebrity you think every woman will want to throw themselves at you. It doesn't work like that. Edu Frimpong, it doesn't work like that. You have a beautiful young girl growing up. I don't think say you will be happy if Ubako Jina stage be suna sebi will be mianetu in the name of Oyeme fan. Na onipani wia anu ya wadibaba ne sebi o ense na emfata to try to gaslight Ghanaians and make it look like one yenye de too. So Sammy, adie why? I don't know if you have a team you are working with or say you are riding solo so they are. Memena, clean up your act because you are messing up. You are messing up. For some of us, we owe your rapper beer. Sammy, oh rapper, me kai will freestyle be our yeah the two YouTube. Beautiful. I don't know what is happening to you now. You still have the talent, but you need to clean up your mess and act right. It doesn't just take talent to take you there. There are several artists or more talents so sebi your mon kwasi asem no mo nsem hunu omo di yente no. And then no omo twea baboche na be me ya. Se metina baby na me hu say Sami baby anke wo se wudu no wo career mu no wanu ho. Unless of course say no say eye enyum 20 we no mfa anya hwe dia. But please clean up your mess. This is getting out of hand. Your best show.
Peace FM. Yes to do me I na fo. Hey. And a medical say massa. What's so high girl no put you medical pass our bound. What's so high girl no beside say, do you have a boyfriend? Now, but why do you ask if our boyfriend? Now intention be o tim say ube me and two thing and I be say do you have a boyfriend no? So I say girl can say yes I have a boyfriend or say and baby kakra ma me nyai. Na me na wa me ano enye easy. Hwe ewiase wo. I mean can be show. Ya MC ya said ye. Sometimes to tone down. In the heat of the moment, who say artist in a stage, your friend be performance, say I go no dino. E bi oha etimiye intense. Now etimiye intense I say me kai time na Mike Jackson na on top no. Otimiye show men kwafo. It sometimes no obi oha ma fan bi oha ma otimi ba mu say me ya actually nyanu ahu. Oba me sa no na say ne sa ne kosro. Ba medical sa ne confirm the koso ne to. And no na a problem no because basura could be any but a question to no and a problem about the patcho because medical also yes open toward do you be me who in a tour side no na ko fa the who ye ya for so ko fella really oh so John so biya no na nipa no o de watu abamo fa brasure na tuo na kusom na bisa ne say you have a boyfriend not intentionally wrong I no keke bi kire mami ya na Xposed said ye one so say any agi I was who how dare you who is medical na medical say what do you mean you know the things that I have you go tie bra
it be common sense me friend baba stage me person me ne say oba na me ha again and e bi am sakoto baby na business oh boy o say baby no, I said they be all boy, right? I said yeah, all boy. And I'm so what boy there? Then I respect that. I'm not going to, dance with you and disrespect your boyfriend because I respect, people. You understand? Who do you think you are? I see a PD. Charlie.
I mean, let's make this clear. The fact that you are celebrating doesn't mean that every woman wants you. Say, me, I will say, will be, and how you'll be in particular, every chest of bed, be so don't make it look like because you are a celebrity, you think every woman will want to, throw themselves at you. It doesn't work like that. And if you're wrong, it doesn't work like that. You have a beautiful young girl growing up. I don't think that you will be happy if you back on that stage, you should not say you will be in the name of Oyamefan. Now, we are here on the to try to gaslight Ghanaians and make it look like one and so, sorry, why? I don't know if you have a team you are working with or say you are riding solo, so yeah. Then clean up your act because you are messing up. You are messing up. For some of us, we go around Kabia. Sami, paper, the kind of freestyle we are getting on YouTube. Beautiful. I don't know what is happening to you now. You still have the time, but you need to clean up your mess and act right. It doesn't just take talent to take you there. There are several artists of more talent to say, and then come on, unless of course they say, and yet they don't tell me no foundation. But please clean up your mess. This is getting out of hand. You best
You hear the nonsense when she talk. And you know, say she talk at some place, she say, Chris Brown will cry, yes sir. Yo, 2 days ago, Chris Brown did stage where they kiss somebody for stage. I don't know if you see that video. Incredible ignorance, any primitive thinking. It be common sense. Me fear about stage. Me person me in the south by the again, and they be a saboteur baby. Now, because oh boy, I say baby. No. Master, me name the Dimpo. But my these people they don't really. So I don't even know them. Bro, me name Mudim. But I swear to God, say I get sense past you. I be mentally stable past you. I be financially stable past you. What about Conro say? I go or donkey. It will be bomb. Catch me, miss. What about Conro? Wash a seat. Jimmy. What about Conro? I know wash a seat. I go this time say mesh show say. I mean now, and I will catch me say, me mentally stable. Now me here therapist. Who need trust him? Who here Budapest because who then is spiritual. Go see there they have mind and heart. Say you medical and small boy. You big you what to get? Big boy then I will show me what to get. Show me what to get. Yeah, we need trust him. Into 7, but what down? Mr. Sammy Rasta. Mr. Sammy Rasta. Let me talk about Mr. Sammy Rasta. So, Mr. Sammy Rasta, today I will help you make grow your followers. Yes, also from the Samuel. It's not told me who made the car because someone for me a John naturally. I don't see what be our friend Samuel. What be our friend Samuel? He's also the whole my name. Go sit radio talk. Medical, he need therapy. I need therapy. Maybe we need trust. I won't watch what you do on your page. Only what you call only you, where does me have therapy? No, can I form bro? Can I form with you? And you won't see, and I'm a young no. I promise me have therapy. Hey. I call it I put it to you, say you do too. Hey, what can control and as a man? Hey, what can control and as a man? Many have therapy.
Aye, medical no. One no our bus said no could drink no, and you drink no could say and you guy, not body gas. What do you mean? I say, Xposed and Yabend, me was Cassio. My Bob Brasseo, I me what this say, or be anymore. enti wo kama asema o say guy na asem no kra ni you can ahoye spiritual just ahoye na you be physical na you be spiritual it means say ahoye na tra physical na akwa spiritual no na medical aka ba ni nyina mu no agro me pa mo chow medical or a fine guy me kai okọ we say o2 o sede no o ti me feel ho I sakwadem na boy he has done something he has paid his dues. Sometimes no you forgive him because of his age unity the excesses are too much but understandable yen nyina no may ntwin bebre ye can he say ya ye twin bebre na ekwakwa bi medical and so obi critical wa e mi se nipa ne pewasem sa obi eka wasem na so pewasem you also need be uye nipa enti sabe yese ne o twasa no onim se na chiachia ebia bibia wo ye no ni o wa kire no behu se ade na wo ye no ye ni se ankeye na wo medical de obi criticize o pe no afa drink no na de obesisu no atwa bon na ya no enye sa na ye no me pa acho next time obi ka bibia fa ba wo next time se onipa ni tubewa pa acho mansa ne koso kakra e kofem pe akwa problem I expose GHFM Bamboo subscribe share me tuma na sa ka bi manuasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.